You're gonna light it with a taser?
I'm gonna attempt it.
This is bad. This is a bad idea.
Lighter at some... Gotta get our son here to go with us. He's going to... I don't even know how to spin off of that. Our kid's going to Best Buy and Walmart today. He's not getting anything, but we have to pay for this somehow. Let's hear a word from today's sponsor. You know what? You can't be picky, camera guy, all right? Yeah! We're getting Subway?
Guys, report this Instagram page for spam. No. Report it.
Jonah, when are you getting that thing scrapped? It is a tight fit. I parked close today.
Can we get the heat on in this thing?
We just got in here.
We haven't even left the parking lot yet. He's freaking out.
How long do you think you would have waited to have Jake help you?
All right, next video.
That's all pointed at and say he's stealing.
He's stealing.
Stop. God, that was so loud. Actually, I made it a joke, and then Zach said it like super loud.
Jesus. You know what? We're actually gonna leave you behind.
That was it was such a legendary line. Just me pausing and saying, I don't know how. I mean, I really like mayonnaise too. Mayonnaise is good. It's like a white people
thing. We're going to a jar a day. That's a problem.
What do you call it?
Mayonnaise.
Mayo?
Mayo is mayonnaise.
It's literally called mayonnaise.
Cinco de Mayo?
Why do you say it like that?
I'm gonna hit you.
Oh my god!
Because that's what it's called.
Get it on camera.
You're on 4K 60 right now, dude.
4K 60, acting a fool.
Seriously. We can get the Walmart gummies.
Why do you call them gummies? Just call them gum. Idiot.
That's chewing gum, not gummies.
You call chewing gum, you idiot? It's just call it gum. I call it dip.
Chew tobacco.
Ever since we switched careers.
So guys, how does it feel to get fucked twice? You know what? This was a little bit more lubricated.
This one, they ease their way in.
This one was a little bit more lubricated.
It's gonna be pretty freaking sick, guys, but we're gonna go ahead and... Are we doing this like the usual? Like, do I go over the parts first, or are we just doing it as we go? How are we doing this?
Go over the parts.
Go over the parts, okay. And we're gonna go ahead and go over the parts right here. Oh my god, dude, I'm struggling today. All right.
It's this. We're getting high.
Dude, I'm getting 230 vibes. All right. We're pretty good with this case, which would be nice. I don't even actually know if this isn't a Montec Air anymore, so I don't even know if that's true.
Right. It is ARGB. It's like the other Summit cases. Okay. So.
I'm trying to remember if I even ended that right. How did I end that, Jonah? Was that good? I'm sorry, Mikhail. I'm struggling today. I'm just gonna do the cool. I'm gonna do the cooler again just in case.
That beep was really quiet, but it beeped.
There's no way. You're covering the speaker.
You're trolling.
Where is the speaker at?
Yeah, where is this?
I swear you're covering
that's a troll. There was no beep.
You know what's funny? I was just telling Zach, I need Jonah to start just saying filming or recording. Like, I need you to do the Freddy. In 5, 4,
There have been a couple
3.
times I've heard it and he hasn't, but that time I did not hear anything.
Rolling.
All right,
I like that. That can be your thing.
Rolling.
All right. All right. Jonah, I can smell your balls from here. Here's your blooper. You gotta finesse it a little bit, you know? Bring the viewers in, McAllister.
Yeah, no, you got this. What's the price on this?
All right. 12th gen i3. Oh no.
Is it the core?
I can't like.
Give it away.
I'm gonna do things that have easy names, like
From
Lethal Company, the Loot Bugs. Me when I have an ounce of treasure. All right.
You got the GPU?
GeForce RTX 3060, 8GB.
Dude, you can't even read.
GeForce RTX 3050.
8 gigs of GDDR6.
This is gonna be so awful.
I can do it too.
All
if you
right.
want.
You're good. You got it.
And for the graphics card, we have the RTX 3050 from GeForce. Is it GeForce or how would you say that?
You said 3050 or 3060?
Is it 30? No,
Oh
it's
wait, no,
not.
I'm not. I'm stupid.
Okay, cool. It's like I swear. So, all right. For the graphics card, we have the GeForce RTX 3060 with 8 gigs of VRAM. This should work. Did I say 3060?
You did.
Damn.
You're doing good.
I fucked you up.
All good. For all your AAA titles that you want to play, I don't really know that. I'm just saying what I believe. I think you'll know. That's B-team quality. I don't know, but I'm hoping. We'll just give you our impressions on it. Thought it ran really smooth. I liked how... Let's see.
You liked how I shit on absolute in that game.
You, boo.
You're lucky I didn't leave that sticker on your shirt.
You had a sticker on his
Jing-Shang.
shirt. See if you guys can find it in other videos.
Jing-Shang. All right.
He said he wanted to blow us.
Huh? Among Us? Sus?
Among Us?
Imposter
All right.
syndrome?
Bill number 4. Hit that
Number
power
4.
button. What did that look like?